Okay, and here's your special offer. I am only offering this to select groups of people, small, local, and personalized. I am not doing any paid advertising right now because I am looking to get as much feedback and walk you through this, and you get the most success possible out of each module so that I can shore up any place that you're getting stuck. There's times that I've been doing stuff for so long, there's times that I'll take for granted, maybe some terminology here or there, or maybe not give you a different avenue of education on a certain aspect, a certain step, that would allow you to uniquely understand it better. So I am offering to give you an hour free per module, 3 modules, of personal interaction with me so that we can get the best result out of the best brand blueprint as possible. I want a huge successful case study from you. And in return, I want that feedback. I want that valuable feedback. So I will be going regional and then national with this as soon as possible, as soon as I'm completely comfortable with the automated process from the feedback that I get from you. And it will be at $1,900 for the 3 modules, and it will be a terrific deal at $1,900. But for now, because I am still in a relative testing phase, I'm offering this for $190. That's 90% off. And it will be understood that it is a collaboration and you must apply for it. You cannot just buy it. I need to see what industry you're in. I need to see where you're at and make sure the fit is good, because I can only take a couple at a time as I'm doing full service work all the time right now. So if you're interested, please apply below. And I really look forward to working with you and getting your best brand put in place so that you could save all kinds of money on your marketing dollars in the future by turning more of your prospects into clients.